Fourth week of the excellence. Thanks for liking, thanks for commenting, thanks for sharing. Everybody that's doing that, I really appreciate it. All glory to God. Today we are rounding up our very first month of the excellence, the series. So let's do this. Listen up. Let's do it. I'm talking to you, Katichikori. Don't let them slow you down. No, Tori Mugori. They will tell you, but let's be real. Tell them no way. Procrastination has to stop. Wamachikori. I'm back, y'all. Now I just want to see you do it. Whatever you plan or dream, let this be influence. Give it a shot. You might be unique or radical. Those telling you to stop are just scared to see you have it all. But the journey is so long, plus a high price to pay. Tebakulimba. Challenges are always there, and yeah, be the drama, but it will be gone. You don't have to be great to be started, you just have to be started to be great. Spot out your targets. You never want to wish you did more, and you know it. The time is now. I'm talking to you, Katichikori. Peace.